Next, we have rhythm accompaniment. In the next chords, we're using some bar. A grand bar is when you put a finger across all 6 strings, as in F7. We put our first finger right across the first fret and add our other fingers. In the chord diagram stated, you could also use your 4th finger here. But right now, let's just play the F7 with. For me to do a bar, I do not rest my first finger flat on this part of the finger in the fret. I rest a little on the side of the first finger so I can get the notes ringing better. It's hard for me to just, I guess I can do it, but it's much easier and more efficient to do it on the side of the finger. B flat chord has a partial bar, not a grand bar, just barring the 3rd finger against the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th strings in the 3rd fret while adding the note B flat. And C9 has our 3rd finger playing the first 3 strings, then adding. We know C7, and if we look at C7 and C9, we're playing, here's C7, here's C9, but we're adding the note D and putting G in there. C7, C9. Here's the exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4. C7. Now F7. D flat. C9. F. If you can't get the switching, try playing whole notes. Just 1 strum per measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can go half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and then progress into 1, 2, 3, 4. Always think about the next chord you're going to. I'm thinking F7 now. I'm thinking B flat. What do I have to do? C9, I hardly have to move. And back to the F chord. At the bottom of the page, we're adding G minor to our repertoire of chords. 3, 3, 3, 2. The first 3 strings, G, D, B flat, and the low note G. There are other ways to play these chords, and they're always really determined on where we're coming from and where we're going to. So we need a repertoire of different ways to play many of our chords. So D minor in the first measure. We're going to play this G minor, as stated. A7. Then we're playing D minor like this for 2 beats, and then D minor with the open D. So this goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can not only practice this as 4/4. I mean, if you have some way of you want to do a different type of rhythm, just to practice these chords, that would be fine. The main thing is just switching it on time.